Welcome back to the channel, guys. Oh no, do honestly, it's a new week. We know this. It have to be a new week. It cannot be a new month or a new year. It have to be a new week, right? And this week is kind of eventful for me. I'm not gonna lie, but eventful in the way that I'm gonna be too busy to pick up my phone. It's Miss You Tech happening this week. Ooh, I don't know when I get the vlog here because I misbehaved recently. So I don't know when I get that vlog here, but just know that I'm in the week of Miss You Tech preparation and it's hectic. I'm not gonna lie, it's a lot going on. It's kind of exciting, but it's kind of nerve-wracking at the same time because you want the best possible outcome, but you have to just leave it up to time and the day and proper planning and proper contingency planning. But yeah, that's what I have doing this weekend. I'm supposed to meet up with a friend also. I'm trying to figure out which day I can do that between. It's just, yeah, but right now I'm going to go on the road to collect a package. I can buy some clothes from last month and it just reached, so I'm gonna go ahead and collect that package and things. So we're going on the road and I'm going into New Kingston. So I really want to reach up this before school over, so let's go. Alright guys, so before we get into the rest of today's vlog, we have a small commercial break, and this break is brought to you by Hair Spells. So we have a little, just a small intermission, and in this intermission I'll be showing you guys what I got from Hair Spells and applying it, showing you the finished product when I don't know it going down on the joggings. So this is how it's looking. Just gonna go ahead and take off the net. Right, this is how it's looking. This is our lace portion. And of course the construction, we have 4 combs and 2 adjustable straps, and this is a 13 by 4 lace front with a little toops, a lace space on the back. If you watch my hair reviews, you'll know that all the information is always in my description box. And you can check for your discount code because more than likely one is there. Right. So we're just going to go ahead and install this baby, and I'm going to show you guys the finished look. Let's go.
30, baby, won't you meet me by the beach? Early, baby, later, you can show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy City, phony kisses, 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Hey. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must have changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, each other look around. Find one to see my type. Damn, my dog and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet a girl tonight, then I go and treat her too nice. Galleria credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife, but I do know one thing though. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day, maybe we'll someday grow. Till then I sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beach? Early, maybe later, you can show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy City, phony kisses, 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I went ahead and I decided that I'm going to wear it in its dry state. If you don't know me, you don't know, say yo, I love to wet up curly hair, but this time I decided that, listen, this is a vibe. Like, this looks so pretty, so I decided to keep it as is in its dry state, and I think it is giving. It's giving, okay? It not give regular curly. I don't know, something about it feels luxurious. It looks luxurious. And it have a vibe. So as I say, all the information will be at the very top of my description box. If you're interested, go and check it out. I think this is a Mongolian hair. Go in the description box to confirm it. I love it. Like, this look, it's giving. It's giving. So that's it for today's commercial break. Thanks to Hairspells for sponsoring today's video. I hope you guys like this is a question. And yeah, let's get right into all of the other things that we got done from last week till now. Okay, bye. Alright guys, so I do apologize for the glare. There's nothing. Oh crap. Crappity crap. There's nothing I have right now that can. It look a little bit hazy, but I can't do anything about it. Oh my god, it's so bad though. You know? It's really bad. Hold on, let me see if I can rest this on top of it. I didn't say that now. I didn't say all of that. Yeah, so I collected my packages and not packages, girl, package singular, one, uno. It's back here. It's this box that you're seeing right there. And look what I got. Oh, look what I got. I saw a man. Oh, these smell so good. I saw a man selling mangoes. They may look like a blackie. Would have loved some Julie. Julie's actually my favorite mango, but these will work because I just recently found out that we're in mango season, and ever since I've been dying to get some, and I got some. It was $1,000. It's robbery, but I guess inflation. Everybody have to eat. You understand? So yeah, I got that bag of mangoes for $1,000, and I just get some nuggets for munch. And nuggets is what I buy when I don't know what to get, because who can mess up nuggets? You can't mess up nuggets. I always get sweet and sour sauce. Look at that, gold. So I'm gonna eat this and then head home. Reason I'm never gonna eat it because I have things to do still. I have a presentation that's due tomorrow that I'm not finish it. I'm gonna have to go and deal with that. Might have to go to rehearsal today with the Miss UTech contestants. Not 100% sure yet. But let's see. When we reach home now, I'll probably show you guys select stuff because I know some honesty. I'm gonna post a picture of them pants and I see that in that video. So me probably showing the like select pieces of what I got. But I'm really excited for my clothes package because I really need some new clothes. So yeah. I'm reach home, my link in the back. So I'm home. And I'm about to go through the package. I'm so excited. Why am I doing that? Yeah, this is the part that I love right here. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. Love to see. Why it look a little bit now? Why it look a little bit as we start pull them up? And that mean like with Shein, Shein not cheap again, you know? Shein is slowly getting on like fashion over them level. Like the price increases are kind of crazy because the, you know what? But yeah, them not that cheap again. But I'm gonna try on my clothes now. Yeah. Like if I stay here, I don't think you guys will be able to see me. But I can't bother with the bagger. But I just want to try on my little clothes. Okay, so this is one of the pieces that I was most excited about. I don't have a like baggy pants. It don't do nothing for women and women don't have button one. Yeah, when I put it together, not my underwear showing. When I put it together, I think it will look cute. I think it will come together how I envision it to. But yeah, this is one of them. You know, sometimes I really have to wonder if my mirror deceives me. I saw my bottom did flat. No man. No man. But this isn't it. I saw my bottom did flat. Hey, don't put me in a... I saw my bottom did flat. This is the next one. I really like this. It's giving, I don't know what it's giving, but it's really cute in my opinion. And what I plan to wear it with, yeah, but the bottom is not bottom. I really thought I had a little bit of, well, so I got, but I couldn't get bottom. Wanna tell me no, you swear I can't bother with online shopping sometimes. So me buy this pants, right? By the way, I have to drop it all the way upon my hip to make it look normal. But what I had in my mind was I was gonna wear this with heels. Give me a second. Tell me if me not look like me take a measurement in a water. What is? What is this? What is? What is that? Me can't wear that sometime, you know? Why it looks so full? No, me definitely have to go wear this. So, and then the crutch is so ratty line because me have to drop it all the way down. Me like when my pants them there right here, so but look how it look when it there right there, so. No man, watch there. You know me care for that? Me care that. What is this? Yes, me get mango. Mama just reach him. Me shame, look how me telling you say a blacky mango and mommy say a number mango. Anyways. I give up. I give up. But I know all this I go fix. But don't know. And it's a nice little skirt suit, you know. Why do me this? Why do me this? Why my other one bad suit that the bikini top as what I get people? I give up, you know? I want there for the nose and I give up. What is what? It's all good. It's all good. That over there, sir, is my brown just take off. This is all I got out of. You know what? I'm not gonna see about that. This is everything. After 3/4, I just got just my look. Anyways, yeah. So very last minute, I have to head out to go to rehearsal with the contestants. You think it's forever gonna steal my joy. Forever going to steal my joy, but it soon be over. All of it will be over in the next like 3 to 4 weeks. So yeah, mommy follow me because I don't know, I just felt like having company because I think I'm going to be the main person left there, so, and it's going to end really late, so I just asked mommy to come with me. But yeah, behind these prison walls, doing my paces, doing my time. Alright guys, so it's Friday, it's the day before, if the truck warm up attack, it's the day before Miss UTech, and there's so much going on, but yeah, anyways, I want to go watch John Wick this evening. It's dropping today, and I want to watch it today. Like more, I like look at excitement in the theater when I watch them. I like when it's full and when joke give people laugh and when things happen, people cuss bad and scream out funny things, and because I like that little niceness. Them, and I really like go when it have people but it not full and them shy for see what they must say. More go when it full. I'm glad to say this is a show when I put in but no people can watch me for say, so I just bear big people, right? Yeah, I want to watch it today. There are 3 showings, one for 5, one for 8:10, one for 8:40. I think I want to go to the 8:10 one because I'm still have to wake up early in the morning for go school for start all of that. But yeah, I want to go watch John Wick today. Yeah. Alright guys, so I know I look a little bit crazy, but I have a few things worth catching up on. It's Sunday. I went to watch John Wick on Friday, and I was a part of the team that put on the production of Miss You Tech yesterday. Let's start with John Wick. I'm tired, I'm tired. I'm so tired. Alright, so I'm gonna start with John Wick. I personally rate John Wick part 4. And if anybody opinion differs from this, please don't jump down my throat. This is my opinion, which I am entitled to. I rate it a 6 out of 10. Reason being, I felt like it was just a little bit too drawn out. Like, we could have gotten to the point quicker. There was a point in the movie where I was like, alright, I'm over this. What gonna be the solution? What's the outcome? You know, like, I've seen this 3 times. Give me something different, please. That's just how I felt. But in the end, it was nice. It was cool. That's why I give it a 6 out of 10. But what made it more enjoyable was the experience of watching it with a full theater. Because trust me, man, people angle the reaction then. In there was like completely full. Not one seat was left. And the vibes did just right. Everybody was just vibing. So I'm really happy about that. So yeah, that's why I'm saying I like watch movie when the theater full. Yeah, so as it relates to this season now, which took place yesterday, which is why I'm looking like this, which is why I'm so tired, my voice kind of sounding like a horse. It was a trip, to say the least, but the event went great and everything turned out the way it was supposed to. Alright, so I'm grateful for that, and I'm grateful that that chapter is now closed and over. Alright, I'm so happy. Last night, my drive come on my foot, them cramp up. I was up from 6 o'clock in the morning and came home 12 a.m. Yeah, it was a rough day, and I would want to experience it again. There was too many emotions going on, too many things going wrong. But in the end, we worked it out and we pulled it together, which is all that matters. But I'm so happy it's over and done with. So today is Sunday. I'm going to take the day off. That's why I'm not even get no vlog. We'll never get no vlog last week. Monday, I needed a break. It's 6. I woke up at 9 a.m. And I was still tired, but I went grocery shopping and all of that. I'm going to come back home, I'm going to eat something. I'm going to just come back on my bed. And I woke up after 6. I'm not mad about it. Like, I needed the break. Like, and I feel like I want to go to the house later. Like, you know? So, yeah. That's the update. That's the tea. I should be doing so. I should be going out this week. My packages are finally ready. I'm doing my test tools this week, which it's gonna get done and it's gonna get done well. Don't worry about it. When a girl have it on her body. But yeah, it's winding down really fast and I'm so excited that we're here. But yeah, everybody tired, my foot them dead. Anybody who saw me yesterday could see my distress. Okay? Yeah. But yeah, big grocery shopping and boy. Every time I go grocery shopping, I'm depressed. Now I think so expensive. Why food so dear? Food is so expensive. Like, it's not even a joke. It's like literally so expensive. But we move because we have to eat. And what me dead for hungry, I have to eat food, so I have to buy the food. Child. Mommy just don't cook, so I'm waiting on her to call my name. So show me food already, because I'm hungry. Because you know when you just eat something and you go lay down and wake up back, like you go sleep and wake up back, you're hungry, like you're dead for hungry. That is me right now. I'm hungry. So I'm going on her, call my name for my food, then I'm going to eat my food, okay? So I ended up coming to an outlet instead because the one outside was just too crazy. Like, I couldn't even get in. But the girl stopped me out. I don't know how I'm going to eat this off. It's a lot, but I'm grateful. So, I only have black hair so because I like them kind of disturb. But alright guys, so it is Monday. I can't hear myself. Whoa, I can't hear myself properly because I was cleaning up my hair and it seemed like I go too far with the Q-tip and it's like the area kind of cock up, so I feel like I sound louder than I actually sound. So I'm sorry if I talk low because I sound really loud to myself right now. But I just left my shipping company, got 3 packages, and I'm right at Earth Elements, but I'm not going to Earth Elements like I'm going to spend more than my bargain for. I never planned for this none at all. I have another stop that I need to make before I go home, but I don't know. I feel like I should just go because I'm gonna go. Let's go. Alright, so I went in there. Don't let the bag deceive you. I only got 3 items. I'm sorry if me a shout or if me a talk too long. I really actually cannot give a clear judgment of how loud I'm speaking. So my toner was finished, so I just went and got a new one. I used the clarifying toner, tea tree and lemon. I think this works well for me. I have no problems with it. I forgot to moisturize my face before leaving, so probably that's why it look a little dry. But yeah, this is what I normally use for my toner, and I decided to get a papaya soap because I have some spots where I want to see if I can clear up, because I know carnival come on the doll body have to look glowy. She have to look like she bathed into milk every day. So I got 2. And now I'm going to go to Fontana to get exfoliating gloves. I've been going there. Every time I've been there, I've looked and them don't have it. The first time I got it at Discount Beauty, but I don't want to go back around there. It's just not my favorite place to go, even though it's right there, but it's not my favorite place to go to. I'm going to try Fontana again because someone in the store, she told me that she went there Thursday and she got it, so I'm going to try my luck. I don't want to know, so I'm going to have nothing near my luck and see if I get it. Them did have this exfoliating sponge, but that look kind of rough for my skin. My skin is so weird, so I'm not really like to be too rough. I can't be too rough and I can't be too gentle with it. So I'm gonna try back for the exfoliating gloves at Fontana and let y'all know if I get it, and I gotta make sure I buy enough. So if I get it when I go down, people have something I can't get none. So yeah, I'm gonna head there now and then make my final stop and go back home because I have a quiz in the evening. But I need to do something come read over for, and I have a test tomorrow. So I'm gonna go. But I really want my Irish mass, but it's lunchtime, so I'm not going to even put myself. I'm not going to even bother put myself through the RTA for around this. So let's go. What I tell you now, I continuously tell people so I should at church and nobody now believe it because it done. And I should have known better. I should have just take it when I get it, but no. Just my luck. So I'm going to go to our next pharmacy and see if I can get it. If I don't get it there, I'm not going back into Avatree. I'm so sorry, but I'm not going back into Avatree. It's almost school over. And which part am I going to traffic? Love and light. I'm going to go to the other pharmacy and see if I get it. Alright, so today is not my day. What I originally went there for, they don't have it, but I did get exfoliating gloves. But I would have much rather to get what I went there for than to get the gloves, because what I went there for is very hard to get. But I got the gloves, yay. May I go, may I call it a day, may I come off the road. I'm getting miserable and I'm feeling sick. Like every time we do an event up a UTech, I start to feel sick after. When we did flirt, oh god, sick like a dog. But yeah, I'm going to go home now and prepare for those things that I told you guys about. I'm going to try back either tomorrow or Wednesday for the thing that I need. So yeah, I'll catch you guys when something I go on. We'll catch you now. Alright guys, so it is Friday and I'm about to go on the road. As you can see, I'm in road clothes. Well, I probably don't even know what my road clothes from mommy yard clothes, but I'm in road clothes and I'm going on the road because I need to go and get some iron tablets. Listen, I have been sleeping like I am breathing. I know I am not breathing, people. I am not breathing, but I've been very, 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 very tired and it's annoying me. It's to a point where it's annoying me. Like I always feel drowsy. It's not making me productive. So I went to get some iron tablets and see if that helps because I am on my cycle. So I don't know if that's a part of it, but I'm so annoyed. So yeah, I'm going to get some iron tablets and I need to get some conditioner because wig sale is coming up. Are you guys tuning into Divinity Glam because the flyer was posted? It's on April 12th. At 12 p.m. Is that correct? I'll have the flyer up on the screen. But yeah, week sale is coming out, so I'm going on the road to get that and that. And I'm supposed to meet up with someone from Bacchanal. I don't get the updates on that yet, but yeah, that's a part of what we're doing. You guys know that festive season start because when you're watching this, it's April 3rd. You're watching this on April 3rd and festive season start. It's officially like less than 2 weeks till Jamaica Carnival. Is my excitement all the way up here? No, and that's just because I have finals after carnival. That's never happened for me before, but we move. So I'm gonna go on the road now. It's kind of late because I had to stop and do some things before I got ready. So yeah, we're gonna go now and see what the road is giving. Let's go. Alright, so I always move so speedy in getting stuff done that when it's done I just feel like I need to do something else, although I can't think of anything else that I need to get done. I can't think of anything else that I need, but I got the conditioner and I got the pills, but I kind of feel, I don't know, I can't take big pills. Like I have a pill problem, right? People when I say I have a pill problem, I just mean say it hard for me to swallow pill here, and a pill problem I have. These are the ones that mommy and Sue and them take, and I decided that this is the one that I want. So I know that they sell them by the dozen at the counter, so I went there and asked them what brand, and she told me, and she said, oh, but we don't have them in the bottle on the shelf. I'm like, why would y'all take the thing, and why business place is so disgusting? Anyways, I got 3 dozen because mommy said she take 2 a day. I prefer a sulfate. Yeah, so this is what I got. Hopefully it helps. I really need to stop feeling so tired all the time. So annoying. I really I try to rackle my brain to figure out what I can go do. I have nothing else to do now. Like nothing. And the road full of traffic. Like I find it hard to believe, say my drive come in that tight traffic, therefore just go back home, you know? I ask my mother if she ready and I can go pick her up from. I'm just bored at this point. And I have a couple assignments for submit today. I don't know. Give me a second. Alright, so before I forget, I'm taking a different approach this week because I realize that when we put the word in the description box for no comment, when I just look feet and comment it, I'm not like that. I don't feel fulfilled no more by that. So if you've made it to this point in the vlog, you'll have something to comment. So I have a question. I saw it on TikTok and I decided that I was gonna ask you guys because them say the answer to this question reveals how people perceive you. So the question is, what if we call this segment? We're not call it no. I'm just asking you a question. The question is, if you guys heard that I was locked up, what would you assume was the reason? Once again, if there's any confusion, if you guys heard that I was locked up, what would you assume was the reason? In layman terms, if when the ear said them lock me up, I want to think of the cause. What want to think I do for make them lock me up? Comment down below. So I'll know who's really watching now, because sometimes I'm convinced that when just I hear me and not listen to me. So yeah, I haven't found anything to do. I should go home. Never find work for idle hands. I'm gonna go home. I am going to go home. Yeah, I'm going to go home. I'm not hungry, but if when I reach home I get packaged, I'll make something. I'm not hungry. I don't feel for anything on the road. I don't know. I've been going through a little weird moment. I don't know if it's depression. I don't know what it is, but we're gonna go home. Okay, babes. Wait, I'm gonna find out if my mama is okay and if I should pick her up and then go home. It's kind of hazy, but bear with me. I couldn't find my regular means of putting the guys up here, so I improvised. I'm the queen of improvising, okay? I don't even understand.
You know what's the funniest thing to me? You would see like a group of men just stand up somewhere doing literally
nothing but examining a vehicle. Like they're just looking at somebody like fixing it. It's just like so weird and funny to me. I was parked, I saw this group of guys standing and looking and talking like the most interesting thing happened, and I just drive past and see my car I fix and then I look by. It's so weird to me. It's kind of like how girls are with like makeup application videos and hair application videos, because as much as I don't really care about makeup that much, I do watch the tutorials when I see them pop up and I be so in tuned. So I guess that's the guy version of that. Oh, it's still jammed out here. That person intensely go out, so like let me the traffic on the road is actually insane. Crazy.
I'm not saying yes, it is money.
So tell the man genuinely a part of people are trying to do. I told you an idiot. I tell you, say, babe, they're plotting on us. They don't want to see us together. What more proof you need? More hating on us. told you guys, but one thing about them window wiper, yeah, them are gonna give my man, them are gonna give my husband, them are gonna give my boyfriend. You see, every single time when I pull up at a stoplight and I tell them no, they're always telling me that they know that my husband gave me money. They know that my boyfriend gave me money. They know that my man gave me money. I'm just like, can you point me in the direction of this man that is giving me money? Because I'd really appreciate to go to the source and get some more. Because clearly you know my business more than me. Husband, me look that old. First of all, I know that young people are getting married, but come on now. Chelsea, come on now. And I know that they're assuming that because of the vehicle that I'm in. But it ain't so, babes. It ain't so. And I would love to see that man, boyfriend / husband. So I don't know where the videoing cut off because the phone got overheated and the car tripod decided that it was gonna unstick. So I don't know where that little conversation ended, but yeah. I've been back home for a minute now. And I feel to make breakfast food again. I had cereal and stuff this morning, but more on this. Should I do 2 or should I do 1 egg? 6 egg, big dog. 6 egg chocolate. Every time I say egg, I think better with my Steven. Ow! Ow. Anyways, so that's what I'm up to. So as it is, this vlog isn't really going the way I expected it to because I don't know. I haven't been in the mood. Like oh crap! I almost broke the egg on the counter. I haven't been in the mood. And I don't know what's going on. I'm wondering if I'm having negative side effects from my BC. And if you don't know what BC is, I'm wondering if I'm having negative side effects from my birth control. I don't know. I just been so out of it. And it's becoming a case where it's a every month thing, like when my cycle is coming around. I didn't have PMS this bad before, so it's kind of annoying to me that I feel this way without explanation every time my cycle is around the corner, and I'm not used to feeling like this and I don't like it. I really don't like it. So I'm just, I don't know. It's annoying. It's killing the vibes. But yeah, Bacchanal Fridays is today. I'm not going to that alone. I decided to sit that one out. Why? I don't know. And I'm using 2 eggs. I don't know if you realize, but I'm using 2 eggs and I'm gonna season them. I cannot eat egg unless it's seasoned, and all I'm gonna put in there is some chicken seasoning and jerk seasoning. That's it. That's all. I am not a chef. So Maggi for both seasonings, both the jerk and the chicken seasoning. Maggi for both of them. I do intend to like take up back cooking. You guys probably didn't know that I had started cooking last year, but I stopped. I don't know. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know what it is, but I guess it's just having the comfort of mommy cooking. I don't know, but I'm gonna start taking back myself serious because I was chefing it up. Like I was doing a damn thing where cooking was concerned. I just got dependent again. But I'ma change that. So yeah. I don't have no toaster, so I'm doing the waffles to get home. Please me. Please. I'll link you guys when I'm done. Let's call it brunch, because it's like, I like about 3 o'clock now, but we're gonna call it brunch.
The money is the motive. Fuck with the money, it get ugly as coyote. Okay, I'm reloaded. Better pull it if you told it. I buy a pound, break it down, and put it in a stogie. Swagger so bright, I don't even need light.
Where is my head, bro? Why do I have to fork?
Would you believe it? She dykes and she asked me for a picture.
So this is my finished product. I know you guys are gonna ask where the syrup is. I don't like maple syrup, so I don't eat it, and I love ketchup on my eggs. So not for go fight me for that one here, but this is how I like it, so this is how I make it. Yeah. I am full, and I just took my iron tablets. So yeah, but I have to go back on the road because remember I told you guys I was supposed to meet up with someone from Bacchanal. They just texted me and told me that they don't know they're where I'm supposed to meet them, and where I'm supposed to meet them is my scam. I want to see, well, when you hear me, I said the road full of traffic, so. Nice. I'm gonna call mommy to find out if I can have some company in the traffic at least. I'm gonna call her and see where she is, and if she isn't available, then I'm gonna just take my big ass to where I need to be and enjoy my own company along the way. Yeah, so yeah, car tripod gone, so yeah, that boom up. Alright guys, so that's the end of this week's video. Not as eventful, the ending, I mean, as I would like, but I have an exam in a few and I have one early in the morning, so yeah. Schoolgirl things. Mommy's watching Crown and I'm not joining her for that very reason. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this week's vlog. Try to make it a little bit long since I missed last week and you're hearing Crown in the background. Since I missed last week. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And the question for the comment section is in the video. You'll have to watch it and listen to find it. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And my next couple videos are gonna be fun, I promise, because as I said, the fun season has started. You know, it's Easter weekend coming up, that's coming up. Carnival Sunday coming up, 2 Sundays away. Be nice to some, be nice to just stay tuned, subscribe, go and chill out with me. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next week video. Bye.